think it's because he looks like any middle-aged guy. Bro, you really just roasting your dad like that. That's a lady or something, you know. Hello. Oh. Hey, what's up, dude? Dude, how long has it been since I've uploaded a real video? Too long, that's what. School's just gotten in the way of everything, and I probably won't be able to upload as much as I used to, even though you know, I didn't upload very much, like once every month. But I'm actually gonna start uploading a little bit more. At least I'll try. Don't quote me on that. I have some video ideas. I'm sure you guys will enjoy those. No, wait, no, I'm missing something. I don't know what I'm missing. Wait, let me find it. What is up? Dude, it's been so long since I've worn this hat. I'm not gonna talk about how, like, I only uploaded like 2 weeks ago. But even then, this video was insanely fun to make. If you guys do enjoy, make sure you subscribe and enjoy the video. Hello everyone and welcome to the Ghost Frame. This is a Chilla's art game. I'm sure many people know who Chilla's art is, probably from Corey Kenshin or some other huge horror game YouTubers.
Nobody at the counter?
I haven't seen many big YouTubers play this one, even though it's released before some of the more modern ones, so let's just get straight on into it. Kensuke Tanaka, gender, male, occupation, insurance company, and salesman. Insurance company. This game is insane. What's up, guys? God, this game has really high sensitivity. There's some time before I get on. I could use a little smoke break. Man, my throat's parched. I better get something. Also, my stomach would hurt around this time. I wouldn't want to hold it during the ride. Okay. So, I'm guessing we'd want to get something to eat. So, do I just go to the bathroom first? Bathroom. Hello? Oh, this one's empty. Okay, wait. Is there people in them? Can you oh, you can't crouch in this game. Okay. Use the toilet? Yes. Okay, so this game's starting off pretty easily. Oh. Oh, wait. What? Right, this is set in Japan, so, they're gonna have weird-ass toilets. Oh, is it? Yes. I don't want to be in here. I can't do anything in there. Okay, so time to get food. That's the women's bathroom. What do I want? I mean, there's Coca-Cola in this, but do I really want Coca-Cola? Because I'm in Japan, so I at least get something that I want. I'll get this thing, Fruit Dynasty, pink grapefruit. Okay, try it. Buy a drink. Yes, give me grapefruit drink. That does not look like a grapefruit drink. Gave us a quick ASMR. Smoke it. Oh yeah, to get a quick smoke. Okay. Yes. Dude, I don't think they still have smoking areas in real life anymore. Or do they? I'm not sure. Or they just do it even without. Breathe in, breathe out. Hello? Okay, let me out. I don't want to smoke anymore. This is boring. Okay, now food. Oh, there's a little food. There's a little food vent. No, it's still drinks. I hear a train. Hello? Hello? Hi! What's up, baby girl? Yo! What is up? Okay. Let me in. Is anyone gonna leave, or am I? Oh, I guess I'm just going in. I'm just going in straight away. have to get my favorite seat. The corner of the second coach. So, I'm in the third one, I think. I don't know where the... Or the second corner, which one? Or, does he mean like the second, like... Oh, he means the second cart. Oh. There's a woman standing there. She's the old that's always rides on the last train. I want to leave her alone though. I'm tired. And I'm guessing she is as well. Okay. So, the corner of the second area, okay. Oh, right here. Take a seat? Yes. Yay. What? Why is there a cicada on my screen? What? Didn't my stop just pass by? What? Or just my imagination? Maybe I can talk to someone who to confirm it. Why did that there was just a cicada on my screen, why? Let's go talk to this lady, because she's the only one I can talk to. Hey. Did you see what just happened? Yes, I did. But I can't bring my energy up to do anything about it. Well, good for you. That was my stop. Now I have to take the taxi home. Ugh. Shall I go walk to the... Shall I go talk to the conductor? How nice of her. It's obvious she's exhausted from her overtime work. I could tell by her eyes. No, please. I can't let you do that. I'll go. You can stay here and rest. Okay. Well, at least let me know if there's anything I can help. She has a flat-ass face. I feel like someone would like punch her in the nose. So this is the second one. I'm sure like the third one would have to, or like the front would have to be over here. So we're gonna go talk to the conductor. What? Oh. What? Oh, never mind. I'm kind of dumb. I'm like, what? It's not letting me move. I was just caught up. Bro, why are you standing? What are you... Dude. Hey! What are you doing? You good? Hello? Yo, dude. Escaped? Bzz. 3 escaped. How? Bzz. I'm in a hurry. Could you please move aside? Escaped. Not in a very good mood. Bzz. It's no good. He's not listening. Whatever it is, I better get what he wants. So I have to find a cicada. Oh, 1. Oh, there's one on the ground here.
Let me know if there's anything I can help.
Okay, so could you help me find these damn cicadas? Oh, there's one. He's hiding from me. Okay, we're gonna go back, and hopefully he'll let us through. Hey, man, I got your cicadas. Okay, no, shut up, I don't want to talk to you. Oh, I found all 3, okay. I don't know why I found 4. Do I just have one in my inventory now? Thank you for Bro, why do you look like that, bro? Okay, I'm gonna talk to the conductor. Hey, man. I missed my stop. Bro, why is everyone in this game look so square? Hey! Do you need anything? Do I need anything? Yes. I want this train to stop on the next one, please. You forgot to stop the previous one. Oh, is that right? I must have been spacing out then. I apologize for the inconvenience. We will prepare for your comprehension necessary for the mishap. Please leave your contact information here. Where do I leave my contact? Okay. Bro, these cutscenes are so long. Like, it's just like slowly fading away. Ugh. I don't have the time and energy to complain to the railway company. I'm just relieved that it wasn't anything serious. I'll let it pass this time. I don't look forward to tomorrow's work. What am I doing with my life? I don't know, what the hell are you doing with your life? Oh, 07:25. So I'm back here. Okay. I don't know why, like, I go up here and I just get flashed. So I guess we're gonna have the same routine as yesterday. Go to the bathroom. Use this stall specifically. Use toilet, yes. Probably the same routine every single time. To wait for the train. And go to bathroom. Pee pee. Okay, flash. Now let me out of here. Yes. Bro, how slow it fades away. Because I feel like I could just spawn and then it just like jump scares me. Okay, I thought that was a knife in there. What if I went in the woman's bathroom? No, I'm not gonna be a creep. I'm not gonna be a creep. Buy a drink? Yes. Buy me the grapefruit or the whatever, the purple grapefruit. Is that what it's called? Yeah. Oh, pink grapefruit. So anyway, now go take a smoke. Oh, that wasn't flickering yesterday. How about it? It's all gonna be okay. It's all good. Alright, I'm out here. I'm out of here. Oh. Oh, it stopped flickering. Oh, I think it just went out actually. Huh. Interesting. Hey! Yo, what's up, bro? What's up, homeboy? Don't miss my stop tomorrow! Don't miss my stop tomorrow! Well, you don't want to miss it today or tomorrow, actually, because I don't even know if I'm going to be here tomorrow. Let me in! Okay. Alright, run! Run! Is the lady still here? Yeah, there she is. What's up? She's here again. Not going to lie. There's a part of me that's comforted by her always being there. Maybe I should talk to her. I don't... Her face maybe like punched in, like someone took like an iron and went and then like flattened it down. But she seems pretty nice. Hey. Typically I wouldn't have the space to talk to anyone. But I feel that ice between us is broken. I guess it's thanks to last night's incident.
Hey.
Did you make it home safe last night?
Yeah, unfortunately.
Why? If it's okay with me, I'm all ears.
Thank you. But there's nothing to vent about at this point. It's too late.
I don't think there's anything late about talking to someone about their struggles.
No! It's too late. I'm sorry. It's been tough. And I'd rather not talk about it. Please forgive me.
Okay. It would have been funny if you just said okay and then left. Well, I'm sure you've seen me many times already, but I'm usually on this train at this time. So,
Okay. I'll keep in mind.
Alright, see you later. Sit, take a seat. Man, this game's pretty good, like, overall, even though it is a Chill's Arts game. Oh. Bro, what are you doing, little kid? When did you get on here? What the hell? What's the little girl doing here? I couldn't she be roaming around the train this late.
Daddy?
Dude, I should not have said it like that.
I'm not your father.
Yeah, you look different.
Now you better go back to your dad.
Oh, about that. I can't remember where my daddy is. I was chasing a cicada I saw in the window, and now I'm too scared to go back alone. Mister, could you please go with me to find my daddy?
Either way, I can't let a kid be lost here alone. I guess I have no choice. Sure.
Hey! Thank you, mister.
So I guess we're gonna have to go bring this small child. You know what? I had to just punch her a little bit. What? Are you not gonna follow me? Man, you an ugly one too. Now that I got a better look at you, you real ugly. Man, you're lucky someone like me is helping you. Hey, mister. What is it?
There's something I need to tell you.
What is it?
Well, I think I had forgotten how my dad looks like.
How do you forget? How's that even possible? That's what I'm saying.
I think it's because he looks like any middle-aged guy.
Bro, you really just roasting your dad like that. That's what I thought you were my They're roasting that guy. They're just roasting us, dude. This child is no chill.
I think it's the only way to talk to the ones that look like my dad.
Okay. Are you gonna... Oh, see, now you're following me. I just forgot to talk to you. He's hitting the gritty! He's hitting the gritty! Excuse me. Sorry to bother you. Do you happen to know this girl? What? Don't know. Okay. Excuse me. I'm sorry to bother you. Do you happen to know this girl? Huh? No. While looking for her parents? Yeah, she said she's here with her father. Bro, what are you doing? Why are you like... He's like looking at me like weirdly. It's rare for such a young kid to be here alone. What's wrong with people these days? Well, good luck to you. Okay. Bro, are you the father? You are not the father.
You are not the father.
I'm sorry to bother you. Do you happen to know this girl? No, I don't. I thought you were her father. I saw her sleeping next to you the whole time. It's the strangest thing I've seen in a while. Haha. There's nothing funny about it, asshole. You think I'm doing this because I want to? Okay. Excuse me, do you know this girl? No. And don't talk to me. It can't be. Her father isn't even on the train. Could it be that he left her alone here? Oh. Hey! Get back here! Hey! You can't just run out, bro. Why are you running? Get over it, bro. Why do you... Bro. We are a middle-aged man, and we are not even faster than like a 2-year-old child. Why am I... Bro, I'm like... I run like... She is like Usain Bolt in the flesh. She just disappear? Did she go through there? Oh my god. That. Where did she go? What? Bro. Stop running from... What? What the hell? Oh. Oh, they're cicadas. I don't like bugs. That's the one thing. Ugh. Dude, I have goosebumps. Dude. Bro, what? Bro, I swear, that child is like gonna be in the next Olympics. Bro, just close the door. Oh, why is there so many cicadas? No one is even on the train anymore. What the hell is happening? What? That man's dead. But he like he was like, woo. What? Oh. That's messed up. What was all that? I'm probably too stressed. I can't even tell my dream from reality sometimes. Clearly. Jeez. You know what? Grab a snack. Cheers. Okay. absolutely hate cicada. It's like the one noise. I don't mind bugs in general, but cicadas, dude, I have goosebumps. Like, you can see the hairs on my arm. Like, holy crap. Buy a drink, yes. Oh wait, I forgot to take a pee. You know what? I'm gonna be a little creepy boy, and I'm gonna go inside of the women's restroom. Come here. Hello? Hello? Japan is something. Guys, I think I'm a vampire. Oh no! Run! I'm the real monster. Hello? I hear someone's like pooping. I hear like water drops. Okay. Bro, someone's taking a poop right now. I can hear like the poop like falling into the toilet. Someone's taking a mad duty. Now, this part is kind of stressing me out. Why is someone walking? Oh. Why is there footsteps? Oh. Oh. Occupied. Oh. Oh, he's taking a poo. Okay. It clearly says occupied, or it's, yeah, like, see how they're different? Like, that one's red, and that one's green. It's the only non-occupied one. Dumb dingus. Enter the smoke room? Yes, I need to go. And then die of cancer. Don't smoke, kids. You know this. Unless you don't. Oh. Bro, do you see that head? Bro, do you see that? What? Dude. Get that smoke out of my face. Do you not see that head? That's like another flash. Is that little girl? Oh. Did like the light bulb just go out? It's just gone? Okay. Bro, I ain't enjoying this. It's scary, guys. Like and subscribe if you got scared. Blanket recording. Let's go. Alright, I'm going in here. Watch, the lady's just gonna be gone and then we die. That's all that's gonna happen. Sup? What's up, homeboys? It's me, the best YouTuber in the world. I know. You guys, look at all of my fans. They're all like clapping for me. I am a schizophrenic. Sorry. Oh. She's not here tonight. Huh. Well, I did predict that she was gonna be here tonight. Yeah, like, why is there stuff blocking my seat? Oh, why everything gets so dark when I get near it. Hello? I guess I'm gonna sit here. Because I guess the seat that I had was taken. Dude, this game looks so nice. I'm like, oh. Actually, I lied. This game doesn't look very nice, and it makes me a little scared. A little scaredy cat. What's going on? A blackout? There's something wrong with this train. What time is it? 2 a.m.? It's way past the usual arrival time. I have to talk to the conductor. Oh, I'm about to get jumped. I already know it. Hey man, it would be very appreciated if you could, like, you know, blast up on the radio and tell us that we're not gonna... The door's locked. Hello? Oh wait, I'm in the back. I am only a little dumb.
Hey, bro, what's up?
Wait. If this is the back, then why can't I open the other door? Bro, what is this? What is this? One. Oh. You were not there before. I'm just completely blind. Hello?
What's wrong?
What's wrong? Can't you see that the train is acting weird? I tried to conduct room, but the door is locked. How can you stay so calm?
What do you hear?
What?
I can help you only when you hear the voices of the natural world, even in the midst of a crisis. So please, tell me.
Oh. In the order in which you hear them, what do you hear? Oh, in each card I have. Oh, that's why they're numbered. So that's. Oh, I see. I see now. I see now. That's why each of them are numbered. So I have to go to each of them and listen to the audio. It's this one. What am I listening for? I hear like a forest and like birds. I just want to hear a bell. So start over. So your forest, temple bell, and then what do I hear in this one? Rain. Or no, that was seaside. And then this one. What is this? Like, I don't know what that could be. Go over to the lady. Come here, lady. Summer festival. Then and this one I hear cicadas. Okay, so now that we hear all of those, I'm gonna go back there and hopefully I can do something and I won't die, or hopefully, maybe. Lady, please. Oh, cicadas. The other world says you indeed hear the voices of the natural world. The other world has allowed me to call the helper. It should be here any second. When you talk to the helper, the train should come to a halt. Okay. Oh. Okay then. Hey, thanks, man. I'm gonna go talk to the conductor and yell at him. Because... Oh. Are you the helper, kind sir? Are you the helper?
What are you talking about? Who are you? Wait a second. I know you. You were one of them troublemakers at my high school. You don't change.
Mr. Shimizu. How nostalgic. He's the man who saved me from dropping out. Without them, I wouldn't be in such a position in my company today. But Mr. Shimizu, why are you out this late?
Well, it's a hobby of mine to get the last train ride before going to bed.
Weirdo, he never changes. However, now is not the time for a reunion. Sir, this train isn't stopping for hours. and I'm afraid this train will never come to a stop. Is there anything I can do?
Ah, I understand. Okay, listen carefully, kid. You must get off the train before the train reaches the end. My destination is at the end, and trust me, you do not want to go there. There are 3 stops where you can get off at. However, you must choose the right one. There will be an announcement melody played at every stop. When you hear the same sound as the sound you heard on the home station, get off. Otherwise, I won't be able to help you later. So be careful, young one.
I didn't understand what he just said, but get off. Yes. Get off before him. I hear better music though. Oh. 06? Oh, wait, no, it's 0806. What's up, bro?
Why you look like that?
I have to catch the train. Where is the train? Oh, wait. What?
Looks like our card isn't readable. That's strange.
Wait, no, that's strange. I was working here yesterday. Can you let me go this time? I don't know what to say. I don't want to miss my ride.
Hold it right there. I don't even try to get past. If your card isn't working, you better get the ticket.
Can't you help me get a new card, though?
No can do. You have to do that during the day. I can't help you at this time.
Bro. How do I get a ticket? How do I get a ticket, bro? Oh my god. Guess we're gonna have to go up here. I'm assuming that the big light over there is probably where I get a ticket. Give me a ticket. Buy a ticket, yes. What? Oh. Okay. It'd be funny if I like tried going down that one. Dude, can I get my... Oh. Where did he go? Where's the dude? Oh. Alright, man. I guess that's okay. Oh. You know, I have a slight suspicion that I don't want to go in the bathroom right about now, but... Oh! That's a lady! Or something! You know? Oh! 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 No, dude, I'm gonna head in there. I'm gonna head inside of here, you know? Hey! Oh! I don't like that. This isn't very cool, you know. We have to come see you. Oh. Oh, she's moving. Or whatever the heck that is. Oh, no. Oh. I don't want to go up there. I don't want to go up there. Oh! Okay. It's like my heart pumping. Lady, I need your help. Please. I know you're over here. Let me in. Lady, talk to me. Where are you? Is she still not here? I think she's in the next one. Lady! Lady! Oh. She's still not here. Oh, I'm gonna get jump scared, aren't I? I'm expecting it. Huh. You know what? What? Dot dot dot. You've got to be kidding me. Not stopping again? This isn't funny anymore. I'm gonna have to go talk to the conductor again, aren't I? Okay. Conductor, yo. Could you, like, not stop at any of my stuff anymore, dude? Could you, like, please? I told you this about 2 days ago. You need to stop missing my damn stop. Conductor? No one's here. Try operating the train? Sure. Why would I try to operate the train? The train doesn't respond to anything I'm pressing. There is a keyhole. Looks like I need the key to operate it. Bro. And yet I can't open the door. I need a key to operate it. Oh. Oh! We just hit someone! Oh. What? Oh. I don't think hitting someone would cause this much blood. Oh. Amazing. I need a key. Where in the hell would I find a key? Oh. This is not a key. This is a windmill. Did I just hit a child that was holding... Oh, man. Why am I even still walking through this? A cane? Oh. Dude. Bottle? Beer bottle? Huh. Oh. 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 Shoes. I didn't find a key though. You know what? I'm not liking this very much. I don't like walking in blood. Not my most favorite hobby. What do I do? What do I do? Oh. Place it. Okay, let's see if to place it down where the reflections are. place shoes. And place the beer. What do I do with this beer? Well, can you tell me? Let me place down the beer. Oh, that guy. I don't know who that guy is, so going back over here. So now that I've done all that, what do I do? Do I go over to the window that was knocking? Maybe. Let's go see. Is he knocking? No. Can I go in here now? No. Oh! I found it! Wait. I found it! Yes! Found it for Big Man. Where is he? Where is he? Where is he? I found it! I finally found it! I found it! I found it! Let's go. Let's go. I'm happy. I'm happy. I probably won't be happy. There he is. Yes. Now what do I do? Oh. You know what? Let's run all... Let's go all the way... No, don't mind that loud noise. Let's go all the way back to the front. Is that it? You know what? Let's go back to the knocking all the way over there. I think he likes to follow me. I think he's following on top. Or something. What? Oh, he's... Oh! Hello? Hello? Oh! Oh my god! Jesus! That part took so long. Thank God that part is over. We're going over here. I'm walking on the train tracks. Cool. I guess we're walking down here. Oh. Is that a door? What is that? Oh my god. That's a phone booth. Can I call someone? You know what? Closing it. Now no one can sneak up on me. This phone booth only accepts 10 and 100 yen coins. I have a 10 and a 50 yen. Seems like I've only got one chance. Who should I call? Let's just like think about the ending. So if we call the boss, then we probably will get hung up on and probably get no answer. If we call a train station, it might help. And probably will be jump scared. We got taxi. Call taxi because that's what we said earlier. We'll have to get a taxi home. Co-worker. I don't think they'll answer either. What about police? Police? They probably will not believe us. That's like the thing. They probably won't believe us. So I'm gonna call a taxi. Like they're the most. Calling a taxi is the right thing to do. Thank you for calling Suri Taxi. It's a female voice. That's quite rare. Most taxi drivers I've seen are men. I'd like to request a ride.
Where would you like to... Where should we pick you up?
Well, from what I could see, I'm in a station called Kisaragi.
Never heard of it.
What kind of attitude is that? If you don't know why don't you search for it?
May I get your name, please?
I'm Tanaka Kensuke Tanaka. Mr. Tanaka?
Are you Eiko Tanaka's husband?
Yes, but
Oh, so you are. I'm Kaya, a friend of Eiko.
Kaya is a friend of my wife since back in middle school. It's been 2 years since the incident. I guess it's time to tell you this.
Aiko's been feeling very regretful after what happened in the past. She really didn't want her husband to know.
The past? What happened to the past?
It was when we were in 8th grade, our group.
Hello? The phone hung up before she could explain anything. At least I was able to let her know the name of the station. But why do I have a feeling that she'll never come? What was Aiko hiding from me? No matter the secret, I can never hate her. I have no change left. I guess I have no choice but to walk along the tracks. How long will this take? Okay, I don't know why I feel like I was about to get jump scared because the phone kinda scared me. So I guess we're gonna walk on the tracks. We have nothing other. I feel like it would have hung up on us, like all of them would have hung up on us. I guess it didn't depend on the ending. Oh! Nah, bro, I'm out. I'm running away. Oh. Lost in the station. Is that the ending I got? Lost in the station. A game by Chilla's art. Dang. Holy. That game was a very interesting game. That was an insanely good horror game. That was an insane game. If you did enjoy this video, I would definitely recommend checking out the game. I also recommend to subscribe, maybe like, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.